Hello everyone, my name is Shreyas. I'm a Plus educator on the Unacademy Plus platform. So you guys know the Sunday is approaching. So every Sunday is nothing but the India's biggest scholarship test, the Unacademy GATE ESE Combat Day. So what is the Unacademy GATE ESE Combat? Unacademy GATE ESE Combat is a multi-regional combat or is a combat which runs on the Unacademy app, which is used for all the people, for all the aspirants to know the real analytics of the tests, real analytics of your competitive examinations, that is GATE and ESE. So this combat will provide you real-time ranking because all the people who will be giving this combat will be live. That is, this combat is not going to happen every time, every month. This is going to happen at a proper time, and all the enrollment people or all the aspirants will be enrolling live. So they will be giving the exam live. So you guys will be having an exam-like feeling. So this combat will be there for 1 hour and it will be having 20 questions. And every Sunday this combat is there. So this Sunday also at 11 a.m. please do enroll yourself for the Unacademy GATE ESE Combat. Trust me, you guys will love this combat. Yes, and also there are exciting rewards and exciting prizes for all the top rankers who will be coming aside from this combat. So if you are a guy who has some financial issues and want to buy the Unacademy Plus subscription for GATE and ESE, trust me, you have to give this combat and become a top ranker where you guys will be getting exclusive discounts on Plus products. Thank you so much.